Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir. Dear student, today we are going to learn about the topic thorny, mangrove and mountain forest. In India, the land of monsoon climate. Here dear student, some beautiful picture about the natural vegetation in our country. You are seeing the greenery spread all over area and some beautiful flowers. Here, the thorny forest. Dear student, this forest grow in areas where rainfall is scanty and less than 50 centimeter. The trees of this forest are the small in size and scattered over large area. In this part, thorny bushes and cactus plants grow. In this forest, some many species grow in this type of forest like kikar, babul, kher and date palms are found in areas where rainfall ranges between 40 degrees Celsius and 40 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Dear student, these forests are found in especially Rajasthan. These forests are found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and western parts of Gujarat. So these parts has a thorny forest. Okay, this is the map of India showing you the thorny forest. See the white color in the western and some parts of the Rajasthan. Here the thorny forest. Mangrove vegetation. Dear student, the mangrove vegetation grows in low-lying delta region along the eastern coast of India. We know the delta regions of Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri are flooded by the tidal waves. And the tidal vegetation grows in the swamps and marshes of salt and fresh waters. Dear student, mangrove vegetation is a typical vegetation. Here, the sundri is the most important tree in this vegetation. And according to sundri, is the important tree of this forest. That is why these types of tidal forest in Ganga Delta have been named as Sundarban. So, here see the map of mangrove forest. This is mangrove forest. This is mangrove forest. Okay, this is our mangrove forest. Now, next one is mountain vegetation. Dear student, in the Himalayan mountains, the vegetation changes according to the altitude, means height. It is because the temperature and rainfall decrease with height. There are different build of vegetations in Himalaya. At the foothills up to the height of 1000 meters, monsoon forests are found. In this monsoon forest, sal, teak, shisham are the main species of trees. As we climb higher, the monsoon forests are replaced by the trees having the broad leaves like oak, chestnut, pine. Many more tree species are found there. These types of forests are found up the height of 2000 meters. And the belt of coniferous tree start from the height of 1600 meters. Pine, spruce, silver, fir, cedar are the main species of trees found in mountain forest. So dear student, the coniferous belt is succeeded by the alpine vegetation, which include the small trees and grasses and mosses. So here see the mountain forest. Here this area of Himalaya has the mountain forest. This area also has mountain forest. Okay, remember the pine, spruce, silver, fir, cedar are the main trees in this forest. So it is all about the forest. So here assignment question on today's topic. I hope you understand today's topic. So dear student, here the assignment questions on today's topic. You should write these questions and its answer in your notebook. So dear student, thank you for watching today's online e-learning class. Thank you for making us a part of your day. Have a nice day ahead. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you once again.